Hey friends, if you wish to fix DHCP lookup failed error in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is to restart the router. Okay, now I'll tell you the right way to do this. Switch off the router, switch off the computer, wait for a few seconds, switch on the router only without switching on the computer and let all the lights be stable. Once they are stable, still wait a few seconds and then switch on the computer. It will pick the right IP address, and this is the main solution because you usually get the IP address with this problem. The next one is to check the network cable. Okay, though network cables rarely go bad and these days people don't even use them, they use Wi-Fi. But if you're using an Ethernet cable, then check that the cable should not be bad. And finally, there's one solution for all software level network problems, which is to reset the network. So this will flush the DNS, it will reset the IP addresses, it will reset WinSock and do everything required. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you can select advanced network settings, and then you can scroll down and select network reset, and finally click on reset now and then on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.